Need help with prepositions of time? Let's learn when to use in, on, and at. At is for specific times like at 8 o'clock or at noon. On is for days and dates like on Monday or on July 10th. We also use on for special days like on my birthday. In is for longer periods like months, such as in July. Use in for years too, like in 2026. A quick exception though, we always say at night. And remember, in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. Keep practicing these simple rules and you'll master time prepositions quickly. Great job! Don't forget to subscribe for more easy English lessons.